This is Clarice the crocodile, and as you can see she's got her summer outfit on. As it's getting chilly now, the night's drawing in, I've made her a nice winter woolly. So here we go. Now, be careful when you're dressing a crocodile. So hold her mouth together. She doesn't bite. Carefully over the ears, nice. And there we go. It's been nice and warm this winter. There we go. Nice. Squeeze this arm through. As I say, it's not easy dressing a crocodile. Fight back a bit. There we go. Isn't that nice? See, all nice and snug. The baby can go back, and he's got a nice little scarf. Baby in there. And that's Clarice, their new winter woolly, with Dennis the Menace.